Guys, welcome to Beard Boy TV, and today I have something special to show you. I am showing how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. At times someone will send you a message on WhatsApp, and before you go and see the message has been deleted. How do we see those messages? This is what I'm showing today, so please pay attention and listen. Now what you do, we have to download an app. It is an app that we use that helps us to do that. So we come to our Play Store and we type notification history log. So we search for the app. So that is the first one. Look at how it looks like. Not any other, but the first one. So you click on it. Now I have already installed this very app, so we will open, but you have to install. It is just about 4.5 megabytes. It's not that big. It's just about let's say 5 megabyte app. You just open. Good. So when we open, we just run the app. So we select in the language, select your language, whether Spanish or whether Portuguese or whatever. You better go for English. So I continue. Then with the terms of use and privacy, you have to select the terms, then you agree and continue. So now the next one, you move next, you keep moving next until the last one that you enable permission. So you enable the permission, and when you come here, you say the first one says notification history log and the second one start. So you just go for the notification history log, the first one. So it says notification history log will be able to read all your notifications you receive, which may include personal information such as contact names and messages sent to you. It will also be able to dismiss these notifications or select actions related to them. So action related to them, which means even if the message is sent to you and is deleted, you'll be able to see these messages, and it's very helpful. So let's continue. So after you've done that, you come back, then you see continue. So you continue from here. So that is it. So all notifications that are sent to you, whether being deleted or whatever, you will see it here. So we are done. Let's see how it is done. Let's see how we can see our notifications. So now let's say someone sent us a message and it has been deleted on WhatsApp. So let's see how we can see those messages. What you have to do is you have to go to your apps and you just look for your notification history log. You click on it. So after you click on it, you come to the advanced history. You click on advanced history and it will open. So there is the advanced history. So you click here. You see we have Facebook, we have Twitter, and we have WhatsApp. So if you click on the WhatsApp, it will display individual names. If Kofi sent you, or if Emmanuel sent you a message and it was deleted, you see from Emmanuel's own. Anyone who sent you a message that was deleted, you see from that particular person. Everybody's message notification will come here. So that is it, and this is helpful, and it is helpful. And if it is helpful to you, please like and drop a comment, and whatever question you ask under it, I'll be able to share with you. Thank you very much, and subscribe to my channel. It's Beard Boy TV. Thank you.